Message from the author. Hey, I'm really excited you picked up this book, or you're listening to this audio program. Having a desire to speak usually comes with a host of challenges most speakers encounter on their way up the speaker mountain of success. Inside this book, I have created a list of 99 plus speaker success tactics to ensure that climb to the top will be a smooth one and a successful one. That said, I've accumulated these speaker tips, tactics, and actionable items every speaker should be aware of to help improve their chances at becoming a really great speaker. Whether you speak for free or get paid to speak, I know these speaker success insights will help you become a better, more polished speaker, even after a single reading of this book or even just listening of this audio program. And then, to become a great speaker, by putting in the time, practice, finding opportunities to put your speaking talents to the test, along with your desire to keep improving with every presentation you give. Speaker success is absolutely right around the corner. Just imagine, now, how much farther or faster you'll go with your speaking talents once you become aware of the 99 plus speaker success tips to implement that I have inside this book. Well, here's to your hard work, dedication, and dreams of becoming a show-stopping speaker. I can see you on stage now rocking the audience with your well-crafted, well-rehearsed, and well-planned presentation. As they say in show business, knock 'em dead, kid. I hope you blow them all away off the stage with your awesome speaking performances. Hey, show them what you've got.